Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to breed an Oserk on Palworld. So make sure watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to breed Oserk, I'm just going to use this guide on the internet, and this website is called game8.go, and basically it's a Palworld walkthrough and guide wiki. And for breeding our Oserk pal, you will need just to go here at the bottom on the list of content. You can search for the location of this pal. You can find element types and some details, and also the stats and all the little details about this path. And but we are interested only on how to breed the Orser. So basically, you will need just to click on how to breed, and basically those are only the combos that you can try to breed our Orser. And here you can find the parent that should be the Relaxoros and the Greaseballs as the second parent. And to find them both, you can have clicking or you can try clicking both of them, and you will have also how to breed them or how to find them and defeat them. So basically, we need just to do that and go through all the paths required, and then just breed them, and you will be able to have the egg of Oserk, and then you can hatch it in an egg incubator. And basically, of course, for breeding on Palworld, you will need to have some requirements, such as the breeding farm, the egg incubator, and the supply of cake. And for the breeding farm, you will need to be level 19. You will need to have those requirements, and after that, you will be able to craft your breeding farm. And of course, after that, you will need to craft the egg incubator so you can hatch the eggs breeded. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.